In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get instant buying power on Webull. This lets you start trading with a portion of your deposit right away, rather than waiting for your entire ACH transfer to fully settle. Let's dive right in. Here's the good part. It's not something you need to turn on or apply for separately. It's automatically applied whenever you fund your account through a standard ACH transfer, so there's genuinely nothing extra to set up. Worth knowing the specific cap though, instant buying power tops out at $1,000 worth of credit. So if you deposit $100, $400, or even the full $1,000, you'll get that entire amount available to trade with immediately. If you deposit more than that, say $1,200, you'll only get $1,000 of it instantly, with the remaining portion becoming available once the full transfer actually settles, which typically takes a few business days. That instant portion lets you buy stocks and ETFs right away, so you're not stuck watching the market move while the rest of your deposit is still quietly processing in the background. If you deposit and don't see any instant buying power show up at all, it's worth checking that you actually have a standard account type eligible for it, since certain account setups, like an options-only account, may not qualify for it the same way a regular brokerage account does. And that covers it. Fund your account through ACH, and up to $1,000 of it becomes usable buying power instantly, with anything beyond that landing once the full transfer settles. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.